Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your region in Counter-Strike 2. Unfortunately, there's no official way to directly change your region in the game, but there are some couple of methods you can try. One option is to use third-party applications like a VPN to change your location. This will let you connect to a server in a different region, effectively changing your gameplay region. Another method is through the game settings. Go to settings on the top left corner of your screen, and then game, and then find the option called max acceptable matchmaking ping. You can increase this value by moving the slider to allow the game to find matches on servers located farther away from your current location. Keep in mind that by increasing the acceptable ping, your connection might suffer as servers farther from your region could cause a higher ping and more lag. And basically that's it.